In this video, I'll tell you how you can stop running applications in background on any Android device. First of all, navigate to your settings application and scroll down and go to about phone. Then scroll down and tap on software information. And right here you can see build number. Tap multiple times on build number and you will become a developer like this. Then tap on OK and it says developer mode has been turned on. Then go back once again, and below about phone you can see developer options. Simply tap on that and scroll down, and right here you can see running services. Simply tap on that, and from here you can see all the running applications in background. So if you want to stop any running application, you can simply tap on that. Let's say I want to stop this one. Tap on that and tap on stop, then tap on OK. So that's how you can easily stop background running processes. However, I will show you one more method by which you can easily limit background processes. Just go back in your developer options and scroll down, and right here I can see background process limit. Simply tap on that, and if you don't want any background process, you can easily select that. However, I would recommend you to keep it on standard or 2 processes, otherwise notification alerts can be delayed. So that's how you can easily stop background application running on any Android device. So that's it for this video. If this video helps, subscribe.